how a local farmer made pigs fly. Now to Josh Storm with the weather. Thanks, Josh. The weather today is going to be light rain with a possible thunderstorm later on. Did we say a little rain? Well, we mean... Well, just look for yourself. See, Josh is right there. Now, zoom out. Again, Matt, just zoom out to the universe. It's started to rain here, and it's a bit harder than expected, and it's very dark. Hey, light guy, can I get some light here? What? Oh, my camera died again. I think I can work this thing. Back to Josh Village trying to get this thing working. Josh, I have to tell you, we have just departed Earth for a classified reason. In that case, I'll find someone to help me. About that. You're the only one left on Earth. But we're still friends, right? Look in your pocket. What? Hey, Tic Tacs! Well, see, this is the storm that's coming, and Josh is right here. See, it's just green. There's a lot more coming. Good thing he's got his Tic Tac. Hey, Josh, I've been looking at this weather on my phone, and there's a lot more coming. Josh, I think we're breaking up. Wow. That is a lot. You know, Tic Tac. Good thing that's over. See you tomorrow morning on Natural Disasters with Josh Storm for the weather and Josh Billiards for the news.